Hey everybody, Mark here. Well, after about a year and a half, maybe 2 years, I'm not even sure how long it's been, I'm finally going to build my 10,001 piece Lego Eiffel Tower. It's even got dust on the top. That's how long it's been sitting in the closet. But I'm not sure how long it's going to take. Might take me about a month because I'll just work at it here and there when I have time. I'll do a time lapse, so hopefully that comes out pretty good, and I'm not going to try to break any records doing it in 12 or 8 or whatever many hours the record is, but should be a fun build with my fat fingers there. So I hear it's kind of monotonous, tedious, repetitious, so let's get going. Well, everybody, after about a month building this 10,100 piece Lego Eiffel Tower, I finally finished it. I just got 5 pieces to put together here, and we're gonna be done. Come on.
Crazy. It is a statement. A very it takes a very long time to build, and you have to have endurance if you want to do it.
I think I can make this last piece here.
It looks magnificent.
And there you go, 5 foot tall. I'm 5'11", so you can see kind of the difference a little bit. Of course, it's on about a 3-foot table, but I'm gonna say it was a pain in the butt to build this thing. I got these fat fingers, so there's a lot of little pieces, a lot of monotonous building, but or repetitious building. So, but all in all, pretty good build. Had a good time with it. So I think that's gonna do it. And on that note, Mark saying, see you later.